Hi everybody, welcome to another Day Hike Day video. We're going to look back on the old year and welcome in the new year. So what we're going to do today is look back at my favorite 2021 hikes. And it was kind of hard to pick my favorites out of them after thinking about it. I like all my hikes, and there's something special goes on in every hike that you take, and it's really hard to pick a top 10, but I'm going to list what I felt were my top 10, and I'll give you reasons why. So should be a fun time going through this list, so come along, we have a fun time looking at these. So we'll start off with number 10, and at number 10 would be the Watauga Rail trail. On that trail we had the Boardner cabin with the waterfall. It was really beautiful. So number 10 was this Watauga Rail trail. So this is really nice. Nice trail to ride on. Beautiful stream right beside us. Leaves are changing. Probably just about over, but there's still a lot of color. Really beautiful. So at number 9, we're going to say the Devil's Race Course, and that was near Smithsburg, Maryland. That was really cool with the big rocks, all the rocks laying there and the water running underneath. The most fun of that hike was it was a hard to find trail to the top of the mountain with a really cool lookout. I really had fun on that day and felt really secluded. So I might be lost, but I think I've come upon a cool view, so let's check it out. Wow, makes me glad I got lost. Shall I? B-E-A, beautiful. So coming in at number 8, I am going to say Hans Overlook at Raystown Dam. That was really a view. That was really something. That was a fun time. So Hans Overlook at Raystown, that's number 8. I always say it. B-E-A, beautiful. So if you're wondering where I'm at Bear Valley Picnic Ground. Yeah, I like coming here. It's usually quiet, usually not too many people here. So good place to come to do something like this. Anyway, at number 7, I'm going to say the day we took a ride on the Gap Trail in Meyersdale from Meyersdale to Rockwood. That had a lot of things to see, especially the viaduct, the viaduct that run out across. That was really something to see. So, yep. All the Gap Trail hikes were really good, but that's one that really stuck in my mind. So, yep, from Meyersdale to Rockwood. Beautiful. So for number 6, I would say the Coal Run Trail near Somerset, and that had the waterfall that you could get right up to, and I had the waterfall all to myself. Couldn't ask for any better. So yeah, Coal Run Trail, really good stuff. I can get any better. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we're at number 5, and number 5 I would list as the Cliffs Trail. Boy, that was something I didn't expect. It's near Huntington. Never heard anything about it. Just happened to see it one day. I think it was on the All Trails app. It was called the Cliffs Trail. So took a trip up there, and wow, that was really something. All kinds of little outcroppings where you stood on the edge of the cliff, and that's really something to see. That ranked right up there near the top. So yeah, the Cliffs Trail, number 5. And coming in at number 4 would be the Devil's Nose in Hedgesville, West Virginia. Yeah, that was a really, really good hike. Just beautiful out that way. And when you got to the Devil's Nose, to hike out on this big, long, flat rock. Really a fun hike, really something to see. Beautiful. Number 4, Devil's Nose. Yep. When I walk out on ledges like this, am I the only one that wonders, hey, my 200 and some odd pounds on top of this rock, is it safe? Should be, but I have no clue what's underneath me supporting this rock, but we're going out here anyway. Ooh, there went a lizard. Did you see it? It's too quick. Wow and wow. These places amaze me. So at number 3, I am going to list the Ghost Town Trail, the C&I extension. Boy, that was something. I was out there all by myself. I think I only saw one couple the whole time, and it was a 20-mile ride probably. Just out in the middle of nowhere, all to myself. Beautiful scenery. Yeah, the Ghost Town Trail C&I extension. Great trail. Wonderful day. I know I always say it, but beautiful. Very nice, very nice. coming in at number 2 would be Black Waterfalls, West Virginia. Yeah, that was the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen in my life. Plus, while I was there, I ran into the Wandering Woodsman, so how could it get any better? And what were the odds of that? Me running into the Wandering Woodsman in West Virginia, and we're both from Pennsylvania, so that was really amazing. So I was thinking about making that number 1, but for some reason I made another one number 1, and we'll get into that in a minute. So yep, number 2 was Black Waterfalls. Beautiful spot. If you ever get the chance, go there. Everybody, guess who I ran into? The Wandering Woodsman. He's gonna say hi and tell you about his channel real quick.
Hi. Yeah, I guess I do a lot what Dave does, just go out hiking and exploring places, and of all places to run into him, you know, neither of us are from West Virginia, so both from Pennsylvania, so it's kind of, yeah, wasn't expecting someone to recognize me out this way.
That's the coolest thing. If you want to watch really good stuff, watch his channel, The Wandering Woodsman. Great guy. See you, Cliff.
Okay, thank you.
Wow, what a view. So, drum roll please. Coming in at number 1. Coming in at number 1 is Hawk Rock Loop in Duncannon, PA. I don't know why that day was just special. It just was, everything felt great. I remember that day. You climbed up the side of the mountain. You were on the cliff side. It was kind of scary at times. It was steep. It was hard. And you had that cliffside view of the river, beautiful. And then you get to the top, and then there's a view of the other side. While I was at the top, I met some nice people. The weather was good. Just everything was perfect that day. That's why I labeled it number 1. Sometimes it's not the most beautiful place that you've been, or it's not the, you know, the highest or best view or whatever. But sometimes it's just the overall day and the overall feel of the day. And for some reason, the Hawk Rock Loop hit all my plus marks. It just was a perfect day. So anyway, number 1 was Hawk Rock Loop. Thanks for coming along. Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share and subscribe if you can. As always, God bless all of you. And remember, I'm praying for all of you. See you in the next video.